Can I connect CoinMarketCap with Binance? So if you're wondering whether or not you can connect CoinMarketCap with Binance, the answer is yes, because Binance acquired CoinMarketCap in April 2020 for an undisclosed amount, and CoinMarketCap, or CMC, is a popular cryptocurrency data website that provides market data and research tools, while Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange. Now all you have to do is, in order to exchange, in the portfolio section you can look for the option to connect to exchange accounts. This is often labeled as add exchange or connect exchange, and once you've generated the API and copied and pasted the API, then your portfolios will be successfully synced. But to give you a short idea, yes, you can definitely connect CoinMarketCap with Binance. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.